as indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture. Algorand cost will hit 20 cents by the center of 2024 and afterward 30 cents by the center of 2025. Algorand will ascend to 40 cents inside the extended time of 2028 and 50 cents in 2030. Algorand value forecast 2023 to 2024. Algorand cost began in 2023 at 17 cents. Today, Algorand exchanged at 15 cents. So the cost diminished by 11% from the very outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 18 cents and the year-to-year change plus 5%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 18%. In 2023, we hope to see 17 cents per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to 23 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 3 cents and close the year at 26 cents, which is plus 71% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months: Sunday, June 4th 15 cents Monday, June 5th 15 cents Tuesday, June 6th 15 cents Wednesday, June 7th 15 cents Thursday, June 8th 16 cents Friday, June 9th 16 cents Saturday, June 10th 16 cents Sunday, June 11th $0, the 16th of June $15, the 16th of July $15, the 17th of August $15, the 17th of September $15, the 17th of October $15, the 18th of November 18 cents. Algorand expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 26 cents to 46 cents, which is up 77%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 26 cents, then take off to 31 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 28 cents. That implies plus 84% from today. Algorand forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 46 cents to 59 cents, which is plus 28%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 46 cents, then, at that point, take off to 49 cents inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at 52 cents. It is about plus 242% from today. Algorand value forecast 2023 to 2024. Algorand cost began in 2023 at 17 cents. Today, Algorand exchanged at 16 cents. So the cost diminished by 4% from the outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 20 cents and the year-to-year change plus 17%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 21%. In 2023, we hope to see 21 cents per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will level to 20 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 2 cents and close the year at 22 cents, which is plus 33% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 22 cents to 36 cents, which is up 64%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 22 cents, then, at that point, take off to 23 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 24 cents. That implies plus 46% from today. Algorand forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 36 cents to 46 cents, which is plus 28%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 36 cents. Then take off to 38 cents inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at 40 cents. It is about plus 143% from today. 0501 2023 Algorand value expectation 2023 to 2024. Algorand cost began in 2023 at 17 cents. Today, Algorand exchanged at 17 cents. So the cost expanded by 4% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 21 cents and the year-to-year change plus 23%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 17%. In 2023, we hope to see 22 cents per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will smooth to 21 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 2 cents and close the year at 23 cents, which is plus 28% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 23 cents to 37 cents, which is up 61%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 23 cents, then, at that point, take off to 24 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 25 cents. That implies plus 40% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 37 cents to 47 cents, which is plus 27%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 37 cents. Then take off to 39 cents inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at 41 cents. It is about plus 129% from today. 04/15/2023 Algorand value expectation 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at 17 cents. Today, Algorand exchanged at 22 cents, so the cost expanded by 31% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 34 cents and the year-to-year change plus 98%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 51%. In 2023, we hope to see 24 cents per 1 Algorand. In the principal half of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to 38 cents. In the final part, the cost would add 9 cents and close the year at 47 cents, which is plus 109% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 47 cents to 79 cents, which is up 68%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 47 cents, then, at that point, dip to 43 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 48 cents. That implies plus 113% from today. Algorand forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Algorand cost would ascend from 79 cents to $1.04, which is plus 32%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 79 cents, then take off to 84 cents inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at 80 cents. It is about plus 256% from today. 04/01/2023 Algorand value expectation 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at 17 cents. Today, Algorand exchanged at 22 cents, so the cost expanded by 33% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 34 cents and the year-to-year change plus 98%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 49%. In 2023, we hope to see 24 cents per 1 Algorand. In the principal half of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to 38 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 9 cents and close the year at 47 cents, which is plus 106% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 47 cents to 79 cents, which is up 68%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 47 cents, then, at that point, dip to 43 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 48 cents. That implies plus 111% from today. Algorand forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Algorand cost would ascend from 79 cents to $1.04, which is plus 32%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 79 cents, then, at that point, take off to 84 cents inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at 80 cents. It is about plus 251% from today. 03/15/2023 Algorand value expectation 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at 17 cents. Today, Algorand exchanged at 22 cents, so the cost expanded by 31% from the start of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 24 cents and the year-to-year change plus 40%. The